What's up, online shoppers? Do you have stubborn laundry stains that you can't get out? Think about all the clothes that have been ruined and that you've given up on because you just can't get those stains out. Whether it's mildew because some towels sat at the bottom of a wet heap. Maybe it's that oily stain from salad dressing you just can't get out of your favorite shirt. Or maybe it's grass stains and blood and dirt and all that kind of stuff that comes from kids playing outside and from doing all kinds of activities. Now, I have 2 sons and a husband, and they all work in the trade. So they come home and their clothes are super dirty. There's like oils, grease, all kinds of rust, all kinds of different stains some I don't even want to think about. And I can't get them out until I found this. This enzyme laundry booster you use in addition to your laundry soap really helps to get everything out. Something else that I think it's fantastic for is getting the stink out of activewear. So you know when we wear all these really nice like stretchy synthetic fibers that are like dry fit shirts and things like that, they're wonderful. But I find they just hang on to the smell. Well, this breaks up that stink and it actually gets the odor out of those clothes. And the other thing it does, you know when you wear a shirt and you get like deodorant all in the pits? Well, this actually breaks down the built up deodorant that's on the shirt and it takes that out too. No more deodorant stains on your clothes with this. It's pretty awesome. So if you take a look at it, it is super concentrated. You're gonna get 64 loads out of this one package. It is scientifically formulated, which is awesome. There are none of these in here and it's activewear approved. So it actually gets out of all those stinks and it works really well on that synthetic activewear fabric. Now, as far as using it goes, you can use it 1 scoop or 2 scoops for larger loads. This actually even works as a pre-soak, which is awesome. Here's a couple other things that I love about it. It is this. It's super concentrated, and it is this. So if you are somebody who is scent sensitive, you will love this product. This product is great because it doesn't mask the odors that get trapped in fabric. It actually removes them. It's great because it doesn't harm your clothing. I have not seen a stain that this couldn't get out, and even the really stubborn ones. So if I have a grass stain that I couldn't get out, or I was actually going through some older baby clothes to decide if I wanted to keep some for my grandchildren, and I found some that had like puke. You know how baby puke stains and you just can't get it out? Well, there was this one little sweater that both of my boys wore and I just couldn't bring myself to get rid of it and I couldn't get the stain out. And then I have this and I thought, oh, what could I lose? So I got a little basin, put some hot water in it, dissolved some of this in here, 1 scoop actually, and put the little shirt in, the little sweater, and I let it sit overnight. And when I washed it, this stain came out. I couldn't believe it actually took out a stain that was 20 years old. The other thing that's great is it isn't going to harm your washing machine, and this actually works for all kinds of washing machines. You can use it in a top load, you can use it in a front load, you can use it in those high efficiency washing machines. It doesn't matter, it works in all of them. So if you're looking for a way to up your laundry game, to maybe restore that favorite shirt that has a stain you just can't get out, this Active Enzyme Laundry Booster is fantastic, and it is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.